Hi, welcome to Zimstate Media. If you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Looking at Zimbabwe sport news, the Castle Lager has released the top goal scorers in 2024 at the moment. With 10 goals is William Manondo, Caps United, Timon Machombe, Simbabora, and Kamabilia, Yada FC. With 9 goals is Walter Msona, Simbabora, 8 goals Lynott Chikuwa, Highlanders, 7 goals Ivas Katema, Manika Diamonds, and Giuliani Matuza, FC Platinum. With 6 goals is Neva Rauji, Highlanders, 6 goals again Brighton Ncube, Highlanders, and Itakunda Benura, Ngezi Platinum Stars. With 5 goals is Wilfred Muvirimi, FC Platinum, Michael Tapera, Manika Diamonds, and Opriel Chirinda, Ngezi Platinum. Thank you for staying tuned. Once again, if you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to get more news.